Hey you, welcome to the episode about bread and motivation. 10 recipes using dry bread. The bread is a symbol of having what to eat, not sleeping with empty stomach. Bread means being grateful and it is a gift from God. It doesn't matter how expensive is your bread, how many seeds varieties has, or what great baker is baking it. Bread is bread. It has smell, shape, color, taste, and memories. Time spent socializing and making the bread, a ritual and a recipe. Eat with bread. 10 recipes using dry bread. When I was little, the basic and simple way of eating dry bread was a slice of dry bread soaked in water with little sugar on it, just like you put salt in the soup. The number 2 recipe is dry bread soaked in water with wheat soaked in water. Third recipe is basic soup with dry bread, or any kind of soup. Number 4 we have dry bread pudding. My dad is a specialist, you can search on Google the recipe. The toast bread to be let to dry out, will taste almost like biscuits. Number 6, dry bread with garlic and beer, garlic grated on bread. Dry bread with milk and cocoa powder. Number 8 dry bread fried and put into cumin soup. Number 9 bread croutons and salads. Number 10 is dry bread and white wine. The meaning of bread: a working opportunity, a working place, a source of money, or as we say in the prayer Our Father, give us our daily bread, meaning the basic things we need to live. The bread with tears is the symbol of hard-working labor to gain the daily bread. Jobs that are paid very little, very hard work and exhausting, you cry meanwhile you work, you are grateful because you have where to work, but the work is dangerous or very stressful. You cry, you pray, and hope to end the day well. This is a bread gain with tears. Parents watching their children suffering from hunger, bread with tears. When all you have is bread, and you are grateful, usually you can buy sliced bread, and you must organize how much bread you eat. The better tastes the bread, the more you can and the more you want to eat. It is not healthy to eat only or very much bread. You must have discipline in what you eat, how you eat and when you eat, at what hours, how you combine the things you eat and especially how much sugar and fat you eat. You are not thankful for the work you do and have, other people want to be in your place, doing what you do. And even the ugly truth, for less money, the same job you do, just to have a working place. A moment in life when you cried at work, bread with tears. A memory from your past that motivates you every time you think from where you were in the past, and where you are now, the road and lessons, the hard moments that push you forward and the moment of gratitude. God bless you with bread, with tears, and with a vision. Thank you for listening.